we're looking at 1F, question 6. It says, Kyle invests some money in simple interest saving fund or a simple saving fund, and the amount increases at a constant rate over time. He hopes to buy a boat with the investment when it reaches $20,000. After 3 years, the amount is 16,500, and after 6 years, the amount is 18,000. Find a rule linking the amount A and the time T. Okay, so it's asking you to find a rule for that. So obviously we have when A is equal to 16,500, T is equal to 3. When A is equal to 18,000, T is equal to 6. So technically this is what your 2 points are. So you have 3, 16,500, and you have 6, 18,000. Okay, so that's what we have, and it says to find a rule for that. So you have 2 points, which is 3, 16,500, and 6, 18,000. 6, 18,000. So you're doing, first you find M. M is Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. So that should give you a 500 there. So 7 take away 6 is that, divided by 3. So that gives you 500. So my slope is 500. Then do Y is equal to mx plus c. M is 500. We need to find C, so we will choose the point. I think it's easier to choose 16,800. I mean 18,000. So you have 18,000 is equal to times 6 plus C. So C will be 18,000. Take away. So 5 6s are 5 6s are 30. That's the wrong place to put the 0. So 0 0 0 5. So that's my value for C. Okay, so now you have your equation, which is now given as y is equal to mx plus c, or your relationship. So you'll have y is equal to, what was that, 500 into x plus 15,000. Okay, so that's your A bit answer. So it says find a rule for the relationship. How much did Kyle invest initially? So go to the next page. We have our rule, which is y is equal to was 500 into x plus y 500 into t. So basically this is what I should write it as, because that's what the question says it is. Okay, so when t is equal to 0, my A is equal to 15,000. So this is the answer for my B bit. So basically what that means is that's the starting point. So 15,000 is my starting point, and my graph goes that way. Okay, so that's what the question's asking me. So C bit, how long does Kyle have to wait before he can buy his boat? So basically, as soon as I see how long, it's asking me for T. Okay, and I have A is equal to, this is my equation, 500T plus 15,000. So when can Kyle buy the boat? When it reaches 20,000. So I need 20,000 is equal to 500T plus that. So I have 500T is equal to 20,000, take away 15,000, which is basically 5,000. So then I have T is equal to, divide this by 500, that will give me 10. Now I don't know if 10 is years or months. Constant period of time, it says T is in years. Okay, so I have to go back here and make sure I write my values in years. Okay, now you debit. What will be the value of the investment after 12 and a half years? So basically what it is saying is, what is A after I have my T being 12 and a half years? So this is my equation. So I just sub in for A, for my T, and I'll get 500. 12 and a half is what? 12 to 24, so 25 by 2. So times 25 by 2 plus 1,000, 15,000. So this will make it 250 times 25 plus 15,000. 25 times 25 is 625. Add the extra 0 plus 15,000. Then if you add them both up, you'll get 0, 5, 2, 6 plus 5 is 11. So that's how much my investment is after 12 and a half years.